Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can block ads using AdBlock on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Now type Opera Mini and download it. Then open it. Click Continue and pick one of the options. AdBlock is now on. You can check it out by going into any website, for example that one. As you can see, you blocked your first ads. If you wanna disable AdBlock, tap at the bottom right corner and click Ad Blocking. AdBlock is now off. You can turn it on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!